Guys, this is May's update video. Down here looks to be where the football field I think is going to be at, if the plans are correct. Look like they have some construction going on here, and looks like it's moving really fast. They've already started on the second story up top. Let's go check some of that out as we get some shots of the football field. It's been about 3 weeks since I last come up here, and you can see the level of construction that they've been able to do already. It's really impressive. Let's do a overshot of I'm guessing that is the football field that the school overlooks. They've added quite a bit up through here. Got some canopies. We walk through this way, kind of get you an overview of what this is looking like. Wow. Quite a bit of work. They've now got a roof, as you can see right there. Let's look here. Window looking out. Step out here and just look at the gym real quick. See how much of the wall that they've put up already. They're making amazing progress. All this is new since last time. Let's look over here. Get a glimpse in here. Get an overshot of that. It's really impressive how much they've done in just a short period of time. Walk on back over here and get one more outside shot. This is going to be the football field. That's beautiful. Let's do an overarching shot of how much it has been completed. Looks really good, and like I said, it's been just about 3 weeks, so they're really making excellent progress. We'll see maybe mid-June how far it's come from there, but we'll leave you with the shot of the second story going up. Have a good one, guys.